The following video will help you to manually clean the milk system of your Siemens EQ.9. Let it cool down first, as it gets very hot during use. Remove the milk container and pull the beverage outlet down. Press the unlocking mechanism at the top right and pull off the cover. Remove the milk system from the cover and disassemble all the parts. Clean each part with soapy water and a soft cloth. Then rinse under running water. When reassembling, make sure that the parts audibly click into place, so they cannot shift. Reinsert the milk system into the cover. Hook the cover in and pivot it upward until it audibly clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the milk container. Your appliance is ready to use again.
Siemens, the future moving in.